Hello, my name is Deborah Mulungi and I work in the finance department at CMM Motors with my colleague
Egau, and I'm a procurement manager and an administrator at CMM Motors.
At CMM Motors, we supply generator power. We focus on areas that are too remote to access power, that is in DRC Congo, or are experiencing rebel activities, that is in Somalia.
Yes.
Now in DRC Congo, there are over 84 million people. However, only 9% of those are connected to the national grid.
Yeah.
Not only that, 63% of the people connected to the national grid complain of its low voltage, and on top of that, it's available for only 6 hours a day. Organizations and companies working in this environment cannot prosper with this low power and inconsistent availability of electricity. They have resorted to other sources of power. Some have resorted to building their own hydroelectric plants. However, this is quite expensive. It requires a minimum investment of $200,000. Others have resorted to using generator power and solar power. However, it's available in the areas that are safe. So at CMM Motors, we provide constant generator power to organizations and humanitarian organizations mainly, and construction companies working in the war-torn areas. We provide generator maintenance, generator operation, as well as the supply of their spare parts. My colleague Eric will take us through the business model.
Our business model at CMM Motors, we have 3 main streams. That is generator maintenance services, generator operation services, and supply of spare parts. I would love to hint on one of the main streams, and that is generator maintenance. Our revenue stream is revenue got from generator maintenance, and we have direct costs that include professional fees, that includes transport, that includes salaries and taxes, that includes internet, and all that is encompassed in our direct costs. At CMM, our direct costs are always 60%. And we have a profit of 40%. Our team is constituted of 4 people. I have Deborah Mulungi, who is in charge of finance, Egau, who is an administrator. We have Elijah Faizal, who is a brand consultant, and Timothy Ssenyonjo, who is the team leader. Genesis 1 says, "Let there be light." In John, Jesus says he is the light of the world. At CMM Motors, we are so passionate about powering nations which are broken, which have lost a sense of direction. We would love you to walk with us this journey, to better up different nations that have lost hope, that don't have a sense of belonging. We have come a long way to power up different nations and improve their standards of living. We would request for technical expertise in the field of mechanical, civil, and electrical engineering. We would love to obtain dealership with different generator companies and manufacturers so that we can have a great link in the different countries that have lost hope. At CMM Motors, we are inviting you to walk this journey with us, empowering up nations to improve their standards of living. Thank you so much.